So these are all the features. It's the Hero GoPro 7 provides 12 megapixel of camera with 4K 60 frames per second video recording, and it could dive up to 33 feet like 10-meter water, and it has inbuilt microphone, screen touch, and it could go with slow motion as well as time track video recording. And the main feature is here, it is a hyper smooth, as well as live streaming is also available. So let's open this box. Alright friends, so once you install the app, you open the GoPro, you'll see the screen like this, and you can choose your shots and you can select your options. So I'll make a separate video for the options and what are the settings you should do. Thank you so much.